Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the website. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found here at this URL, which is loaded here. Okay, this is where we stopped, and we realized that because of the change that we realized because of the change of changing the container, we realized this banner is not the correct size. So there are two ways of doing this. One way is to create a container for this row. Create a padding for each row, 15 on the left, 15 on the right, to push it to the middle. That's one way. Another way is to go back to the index.psd file to change to add 15 pixels on the left and 15 pixels on the right for the banner in the middle. So depending on what you want to do. Okay, I'm going to do the hard way because I'm just going to change this to make it look better. Okay, so I'm going to do that the hard way. The easier way actually is to come here. Let me show you the easier way. The easier way is just say I want to add padding left 15 and padding right 15. Okay, and then we minus the column 6 30 to 15 because we took away 15. So this is the easy way of doing things. Control S to save. Come over here. The top won't change, but here you push it to the middle. But then there's a little padding here which I don't really like. So I don't really like this approach. So this is the lazy approach. The more difficult approach is to actually come over here and go back to our background layer. I think unlock the background layer. So my clipping mask is here, right? All I need to do is add 15 pixels to the clipping mask in the background layer. Let me show you. Oops, I need to unlock the parent first. So let me unlock the Excel and then unlock the background. Choose my clipping mask. Go to the properties. Clipping mask is 1140. So you want to change but then when you do that, you have to shift the X position so this is your width. Height doesn't change, but your X will move 15 pixels for the left to the left. That will give you 98. Sorry. That would give 98. Alright, let's try that. Y doesn't change, so that would be 1170 and 98. So 1170. Oops, I locked the aspect ratio, so I shouldn't lock that. So step backward. Alright, make sure this is not locked. So you just change the clipping mask to 1170. So that will stick to this side, which is not really nice. And then you have to move this to 98. Oh, sorry, 98, not 198. Alright, so now it's very nice, right? But then the problem is the banner doesn't look very nice, so we have to move the banner as well. So let me make sure that my guides are not locked and my slices are not locked, and I need to show my grid. Hey, my grid actually looks no, not alright. Yeah, I need to change a little bit of the. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's go up here, curtain, make sure your curtain is not locked, and then move this one. Okay, let me close this. So this is my curtain, right? So the one on the left should be at the bottom. Okay, so this one, move, alternate move to the left. That looks good. And then I want to move one of this, so you press the alternate key when you duplicate. It should be somewhere on the top. Alternate move. To the right. Okay, now you need to create a guide, so let me lock the curtain again. Now you need to create a guide to cover this side, so let me just quickly to measure. Ruler. So this is 15 pixels, right? So you need another 15 pixels to the right. Yep, so this is 15 pixels. So you need another 15 pixels to the right. Oops, sorry. Okay, so that's 15 pixels. So you create a guide. I think you can just drag it. No, you cannot. Okay, you have to use the move tool to drag it. Did I lock the guide? Probably I locked the guide. All right. Okay, so I created another guide here. If you want to measure it again, this should be 15 pixels. That's correct. Let's go to the left. And it should be somewhere here. So let me create another guide here. And if you measure it again, this should be another 15 pixels. Okay. All right. Let me just zoom out. Let's switch off the grid. Okay. And probably I can slice this one, slice two. Let me just add another one. Okay, wrong. Okay, let me just slice this again. Or you can simply say I want to do a rectangular marquee tool, quickly copy this, which is 1170 times 140. Do a file, edit, copy merged, and do a file new. Clipboard. Do an edit paste, and export this as JPEG to overwrite the old index 11. So this one will be 1170, and when you come over here and reload, you fill the whole thing very nicely. So sometimes when you make mistakes like this, or people ask you for changes like this, you can do some fixes, some fixes like this. Okay. All right, that's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to finish the rest. Bye.